You're here to learn how you can stream a TV or news channel 24/7 on your website. You will need a WordPress site, WP Stream, OBS Studio, your IP camera, or a laptop. I'm Beatrice, and I've been helping streamers like yourself go live on their website and monetize live streams and videos for about 6 years now. As I said earlier, one of the plugins you need is the WP Stream plugin, and I want to click on plugins and look up WP Stream. So as you can see, I already have it active on my site, but once you get this, you can click on install and activate it so that it's active on your site. I'm going to credentials and I am signing in with my account, but you can also register from this section if you don't already have an account. Now I'm going to go to all channels. And in the all channels section, I either can create a pay-per-view channel or a free-to-view channel. I'm creating a free-to-view channel and I'm naming this channel 24/7 news channel. And I'm also adding a description, some images, tags, and things like that. You can also check out the previous video that we've added where I show you how to add a 24/7 live stream, but it's pretty similar to this. Once I've done that, I'm publishing my channel. And once it has published, I can see that there's this section over here for live streaming. But what I want to do is click on settings. So my settings area, and I want to go through each one of these to see what I need. So I don't need to record my 24/7 live channel. I can either choose to display viewer account or not. I do want to have autoplay and start muted together because the chances are higher when you enable these together. And I also want, very important, to turn on to enable the auto turn on feature, because if something happens and something goes wrong, you can just automatically start streaming from OBS or whatever external app you're using to go live without having to go to your admin and carry out this process again of turning on your channel and going live. Because once you've set it up once, so I've just turned it on, as you can see, I'm going to go live with external streaming app. And here is my server and stream key for OBS Studio. So once I've taken these and inputted them into OBS Studio. So this is OBS Studio. I'm going to go to settings, and under settings, I will find stream. And for service, I choose custom and I'm pasting the server and stream key. So once I've done this once and I've started streaming with this, the server and stream key gets saved here. And even if you close OBS Studio, the last server and stream key will still exist. And all we need to do the next time is click on start streaming and you'll automatically go live. So I've just started streaming and I'm going to view my channel, and this is how my news channel looks like. So I'm going to be streaming 24/7 on my website using OBS Studio and WP Stream. It's just as simple as that. And yeah, that's basically it. I can also go picture in picture and I can scroll around so your viewers can come to this page, and while they're browsing your website, they can watch the news or the channel, whatever you're streaming on your TV channel. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on Stop Streaming on OBS Studio, and you'll see that the live stream will end. And here, now I want to manually turn off my channels, and you only want to do this if you forgot to enable something in your settings, or if you want to do what I'm doing right now. But usually it turns off automatically after about an hour of inactivity. So I'm just leaving this off right now. And I'm going to view my channel, and you'll see that it says we are not live at this moment. So the next time you want to go live and keep streaming, we just want to go to OBS Studio. Even if I've closed it, the server and stream key will be remembered. I will click on start streaming and your channel will automatically turn on and you will go live from OBS Studio. So that is the purpose of the auto turn on setting on WP Stream. And just like that, you were able to go live and you can keep streaming 24/7, 365 days a year with no issues. In case something happens and you're not able to stream, you can simply stop streaming and just return via OBS or StreamYard or Restream wherever you have your details. And that is basically it. Thanks for watching.